In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a profile photo on Jira step by step. This is a simple but important customization that helps your teammates recognize you quickly, especially when you're working in shared projects, agile boards, or large teams. Whether you're using Jira for software development, project management, or issue tracking, adding a profile picture makes your account feel more personal and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile icon there, which might just be a default avatar or your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account. Next, from this menu, click on your profile again. This will take you to your Atlassian profile page, which is where Jira manages your personal details, like your name, email, and profile photo. Jira uses a central Atlassian account, so any changes you make here can also reflect across other Atlassian tools, like Confluence or Bitbucket. Now that you're on the Profile and Visibility page, look for the section where your profile picture is displayed. You should see an option to add or change your profile photo. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload an image from your computer. Choose a clear photo, preferably a square image, so it looks good across Jira boards, issues, and comments. After selecting your image, Jira will let you adjust or crop it if needed. Take a moment to make sure your face is centered and visible. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save to apply the changes. Give it a second, and your new profile photo will be updated across Jira. That's it, you've successfully set your profile photo on Jira. From now on, your picture will appear next to issues you create, comments you leave, and activity updates, making collaboration much smoother for everyone on your team. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.